What's up, Alpha Gang? Today we are installing a carbon fiber hood on my green Civic today. If you noticed from the last video, if you haven't seen it already, we installed some APR GT3 carbon fiber mirrors as well. I can put the link above if you're curious about checking those and that install. But we're gonna see how much the stock hood weighs versus the new carbon fiber and see how much weight we actually saved. But it should be a pretty straightforward install. After this install and test fit, it actually is gonna go to XS Company because they're gonna put on some Aero catch latches that are similar to what I have on my Genesis here. And then, of course, being carbon fiber, like most of the stuff I have, we're going to get paint protection film put on it as well too, just to protect that carbon fiber investment that I had to put on the car. So let's get to it and start taking this one off. So it should be pretty straightforward. Of course, we have windshield washer nozzles hooked in there, but it'll just be these two bolts on this side and these two bolts on this side, and then we should be able to remove this hood once we disconnect those washer nozzles. In case you've never done anything like this before, I know it seems really basic, but if you're not too sure how to remove these windshield washer nozzles, there's just a clip here. You just push from the inside, like underneath the hood. You just push those two clips to the side, squeeze them out, and then it just pulls out. But just make sure you remove your washer lines, of course, too, and just make it a little bit easier. Most of them are just held in here by clips here, so you just got to remove all that. And then they just the lines come out of there, and then you're all good. Reference, these ones are 10 millimeters. I already loosened them up, so I'm just gonna unthread them by hand and then get my son to give me a hand, and we'll get this stock hood pulled off. Okay, so we got the hood off, and we're gonna use this digital hanging scale to see how much it weighs, which is kind of awkward. Let's see what we got here. Looks like it shows about 32 pounds. I just tore the packaging off the hood, and thanks again to Rick over at Garage 16 for sending this over pretty quick. It looks really good. I'm very excited to put this on. So we'll weigh this hood and see how it fares against the stock OEM. Of course, it's going to be lighter, but let's see how much more weight savings we save with this carbon fiber hood. Okay, so now we're gonna weigh the carbon hood, and we are at, let's see what the clock's out at, 18 pounds. Okay, the hood is on. Fitment's really good, actually. Small gap here, about the same on the other side. Weave looks really good on the hood, so I'm pretty happy with that. Even with the hood latch, it feels pretty good. However, I'll probably put the stock one on until I can get my Aero catch latches done, just because when I drive to work, I do a lot of highway, and sometimes it can get pretty windy, and just having this extra flex here, I don't feel comfortable with just this latch holding. I've had it in the past where hoods have flown up and hit the roof and smash my windshield, so I guess a little bit of PTSD with that, so we'll get those done. Another thing I also noticed is, I don't know if anything looks different here, but there's no washer nozzles, so I'll probably have to make some openings as well, just so I can get my washer nozzles there. And yeah, after that I think it'll just be PPF and we'll be good to go. But good weight savings, about 14 pounds from putting on this carbon fiber hood, and very easy install. I'm pretty happy with it. Just have to make a couple modifications, and that's it. And we'll head off to XS, and I will show you what the hood looks like after we put the Aero catch latches on as well, and after it's PPF'd, and we'll get the final look of the car with the hood, and I'll get some really cool cinematic video for you as well too, of what it looks after the hood's all done and finished up. See you in a bit. Just dropping off the Civic at XS Company for the hood latches. And while I was here, I saw this really cool older Honda CRX, so I thought I'd get some cool footage of it as well.
And of course, being in front of Access Company, we saw some other cool vehicles up front as well.
New hood latches are installed, and we are off to detail studio. So just got to detail studio, dropping off the Civic for some PPF for the hood, now that we have the hood latches installed. And next time you see this car, I'm also planning on getting a new wrap. So we're taking care of a bunch of body work as well too, getting rid of some of the rust spots in the rear quarters. And yeah, I can't wait to show you the new look when it's all finished. But for now, we're all done with the hood install, done with the hood latches, and getting it protected. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. All right, peace.